One more little blanket, is that too much? Tiny shifting sigh, a velvet touch. Am I doing this right? Are you warm enough in the night? Every breath you take, I hope this choice is right for your sake.